The squash bomb.
Stand back, Shauna. Gross!
There's the carnage.
Ew, let me see.
You gonna do the other one?
Ugh, nasty.
Ready? This is squash bomb, part 2. The better squash bomb. Oh, it's burning. Go, go, go.
See that? Now we're gonna send the bomb squad in.
That's why you make 2 of them, just in case.
Yeah, but is it out?
Yeah. I pick it up and sling it around.
I don't know.
Touch it.
I think it's a dud. Boy, it is hot out here. Alright, well, that's the end of Squash Bomb.